Hello. Today I've decided to repaint my stormtrooper helmet. I just didn't really like the way it looked, so yep, repainting it. I'm joking. The other helmet I actually gave to my dad. I made two. I actually 3D printed this one right after the other one was printed. So since this is my helmet, I'm gonna be doing my own design. It took me a while to decide, but I've decided to go with yes, I have decided to go with a flame design. But why, you may ask? But why? To be honest, I have no idea. It was one of the first things that came to mind, and it also just seems like a simple but cool design. Good morning. After letting the helmet dry last night, it is ready to tape. I'm going to be using this GoPro head strap so you guys can see exactly how I'm going to be taping this helmet. Will I look a little goofy wearing this? Yes. Yes, I will. But I gotta provide a good video. By the way, this is like the flame design I'm going with. It has like a wavy, curvy look to it. Alright, let's tape it. So unfortunately, the GoPro wasn't at a good angle, so there wasn't really a good video of me taping it, so I'm gonna explain how I did it. All I did was make wavy lines with the tape, and at the top I made it point, so it looks like a flame. There's a lot of different ways I could paint this helmet, but I've just decided to do yellow on the bottom, then orange, then red, just 3 simple colors. Alright, let's paint it. So, I'm a little mad right now. It doesn't really look like flames, but whenever I took off the tape, it gave it this cartoony look.
Cartoni.
And I really like it, actually. I was trying to figure out why it looks weird, like I did something wrong. And if you look at this picture right here, the whole bottom of this helmet should be yellow, just like the bike helmet. So what I'm gonna do is fix some spots. So I'm gonna like tape this area just so I can like make it look more flame looking and not like a candle burning. And then I'm gonna have this whole bottom painted yellow and also keep it this cartoony look because I like it. Okay, the helmet is done. Doesn't that look fire? Get it? Because it's a flame. If you guys really like this design and want it exactly like mine, what you want to do is first, obviously, paint the whole thing black. Once you're done painting it black, you want to paint the entire thing with the yellow, orange, and red, but you want to overspray it to get that cartoon look to it. Lastly, forgot to mention that all the extra pieces to add on, they're all just black, so you just add them on when you're done, and I also put the visor in as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I recommend subscribing.